Hello everybody, welcome to this presentation. My name is Markus Koslik. I'm Product Manager for Vision Sensors at SensoPart. Topic of this presentation is the VISOR Solar. In the last weeks I have talked to a couple of customers which we know from the past in the solar panel production. Here in Germany we can see some efforts to re-establish the solar panel production again. In this presentation I want to remind of our VISOR Solar product line, which is very well suitable for the solar cell quality inspection. So what are the key features of the VISOR Solar? The VISOR Solar is able to detect very accurately the position and the angle of solar cells. Besides this, the VISOR Solar is able to detect smallest failures on solar cells, even if they are in difficult positions or in the edges of the cells. Another feature is the very accurate detection of bus bars in position and angle. The VISOR Solar has very easy to use detection tools. It requires no advanced image processing skills, and we use in the software the expressions which are already known by the solar cell and solar module producers. The VISOR Solar is available in many languages, and also the local support in the different countries is possible. The VISOR Solar has a couple of interfaces for integration into the process. There are the digital I/O and the LAN interface. The LAN interface supports the protocols Ethernet IP and Profinet. Over the LAN interface it is also possible to do a robot integration of the VISOR Solar. So to summarize the most important features of the VISOR Solar: it's easy to integrate, it's quite accurate and offers an accuracy of up to ±50 micrometer. We can find breakouts from a depth of 0.5 millimeters or even less. We can detect holes. We have special features to cut out the conveyor belts from the image processing. We achieve quite short cycle times of up to 60 milliseconds. We can operate quite reliably, even on changing daylight conditions. There is no backlight necessary, and there is only a small space requirement because the operating distance is only 360 millimeters. The VISOR Solar is developed and made in Germany. SensoPart has experience in solar cell inspection since 2008. Here we see a possible application setup. In this example we use a V20 with the 1.5 megapixel resolution and the wide optics. We use internal red light illumination. Alternatively, in this application we could use a backlight with 200 mm or a reflective foil. There are also available accessories like our MG3A mounting angle to mount the visor in different angles, and further backlights or even a panel PC to view the results. Alternatively, there could be used a C-mount unit where we can select the lens In this example, we have calculated with the 8mm lens and the 5 megapixel C-mount unit, and we see here the working distance resulting in smaller than 350 millimeters. The VISOR Solar is available in the new VISOR Generation now on the new platform. So this means we can combine high resolution and fast execution times. There are offered units with 5 megapixel, which is the V50, with 1.5 megapixel, which is the V20, or with 800 by 600 pixel resolution, which is the V10. The VISOR Solar is part of the VISOR product line. The VISOR product line consists of further products like the VISOR Code Reader, the VISOR Robotic, the VISOR Object, and the VISOR All-Round. Advantage of the VISOR product line is there is compatibility in the configuration software, in the mounting, in the hardware versions, and in the communication interfaces across the complete product line. If we want to solve vision applications, we typically have to answer many questions. Which field of view, which camera distance, which accuracy, which detectors should I use, which illumination. If we look on the VISOR Solar, these questions are already answered because the application is always the same. Even the detector's wafer and busbar need not to be explained because we use expressions inside these detectors which are already well known by the solar module producers. Furthermore, since we have available the V50 Solar of the new generation, we have even made a big step forward concerning the accuracy of the inspection results. Thank you for listening to this presentation. Please find more information on SensoPart.com. Thank you. Bye.